We've all been there, walking through life, moving but not going anywhere, looking around but still feeling lost, surrounded by the noise, but somehow still stuck in silence, chasing moments, chasing meaning, hoping something sticks in our life, and sometimes it feels like we're just drifting in the dark, blindly reaching for something more, wishing for a spark, a sign, a breakthrough. Wishing that someone or something would just show us the way. But what if you had the answer all along? Not outside of you, not in someone else's approval, not in a finish line somewhere placed in your future, but rather within you, buried, still dormant, and waiting for you. This season, we're not searching the world for direction. We're searching within ourselves. We're digging deep. We're peeling back every layer, all the fears and all the doubts and all the insecurities that have been with us for far too long, to uncover what has always been there. You don't need to be rescued. You don't need to be fixed. You don't need to be someone else. You need to see yourself fully. You need to trust yourself completely. And you need to let that light inside you rise up and lead you to where you need to be in your life. You were born with a brilliance, with a vision, with a value, but life has its way of burying it under the busyness, pain, expectations. This season 14 of Motivation Emotion, we remove the dirt, we push past the fog, we clean the mirror, and we start seeing who we really are. Because you weren't meant to hide, you weren't meant to shrink, you weren't meant to live beneath your potential. You were built to radiate, to illuminate the space you're in, to light the way to the life you deserve, not just the one you settled for. And once you shine, you become unstoppable. This isn't about hype, it's about truth. It's about finally living in alignment with who you really are, not the version that has been filtered by fear or watered down by doubt. This season is your turning point.